Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make garlic cheddar chicken. I did it step by step. I broke it down. It's very simple. It bakes in the oven 35 to 40 minutes and it never dries out. It's like a very good recipe and a very tasty recipe. So I hope you watch my video and come back and see my other videos, and you can get a notification for them if you ring that bell and subscribe, and every time I put out a new video you'll get a new notification. Please come back. Let's get started with our garlic cheddar chicken. Okay, of course, you want to clean your chicken. Any of the fat on it you don't want. You want to cut all that off. Now I've already cleaned the rest of it. Okay, now we're going to prepare it for the oven, and we want each piece to be the same size. And that way they'll bake evenly in the oven. So you want everything to be pretty much. Okay, so this is, see how this is all thick and stuff? Okay, let's look at it now. It's still rather thick. It's too thick, so I'm going to mix some more. Getting much better, getting much thinner. Okay, that's much better, a lot thinner. Okay, so now we start with the butter and the garlic. Now you want to saute this in a pan for like a couple minutes. Okay, so I sauteed 4 cloves and a half a cup of butter. Okay, so now I'm going to take breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese. I have oregano, salt, and pepper. Let's mix that. I'm going to add cheddar cheese, shredded cheddar cheese. This is going to be our breading for the chicken. So first we're going to, so now we have butter and our breadcrumbs, cheese breadcrumbs. Okay, so I'm going to dip the chicken into there. And I'm going to press there. It on it. Okay, then we're going to put it in our baking dish. We're going to bake these at 350. Which is like now I'm going to take the garlic butter. You want to mix it back up a little bit. Drizzle some of it up. I want to take the remaining breadcrumbs and put it on top. Okay, it's ready for the oven. Okay, it's ready to go in the oven. 350 for 35 to 40 minutes. Okay, so the cheddar chicken is done. Absolutely delicious, so let's eat.